Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. It's Vittorio here. Now, this is the first analysis I share on gold, and it will be a short one, but I hope it will give you some useful insight.
$350 Swiss.
高比尋日高少少，short 呢就係高差唔多。
wird ja wahrscheinlich nicht so toll werden.
Now, gold prices have been significantly under pressure for quite some time, as a multitude of factors have been directly responsible for the lower pricing. We had the rising yields in the 10-year US Treasury notes. We had a strong dollar in the US despite the pandemic. We had the US indices reaching all-time record highs and breaking those record highs. And also whether gold in 2021 still represents a safe haven for investors or doesn't. I think that right now investors, and especially young investors, prefer to invest their money in times like these, times like of crisis, in times of inflation, in cryptocurrencies rather than gold. Now here we're looking at the weekly time frame. It's a clear downtrend that we're testing quite an interesting support level. Now if we look at the last week performance, it's a hammer, so we can see some momentum at the end of the week on the upside. If we go on the daily, you can see this quite interesting pattern, a double bottom. Now a double bottom is an interesting pattern, but it definitely doesn't change such a clear downtrend to an uptrend. We need more confirmations, and as long as we are below the 200 MA, definitely it's not time to buy gold. Again, there are two different scenarios here which I'm quite probably looking for. If gold remains in this area between the 200 and this double bottom, I'm not interested in buying nor selling. But there is an interesting scenario, and that would be the breakout of this channel. Now gold does give false breakout such as this one, but again, if we broke out above the 200 and if we broke the falling channel, that would mean that the buyers would have taken in. There could be a quite interesting, a quite possible uptrend. Now, do I see that happening? Doesn't really matter. My job is not predicting, forecasting the market. My job is to react to the market. So again, as long as we are ranging, not buying nor selling gold. Another scenario would be breaking below this double bottom, and that could mean a continuation of this downtrend. The 200 EMA on the weekly time frame, that will be the final target, and then from here, I mean, we haven't tested the 200 EMA from May 2019, so that would be a key level. But again, these are two possible scenarios. Not interested in buying nor selling next week gold. I'm definitely looking, staying away from gold, trading other pairs. I got other positions open. So yeah, that's my outlook for gold. It's a pretty simple outlook, nothing fancy, nothing revolutionary. Definitely, I don't think I have completely changed your mind about gold. I think that these are the two possible scenarios. We are in a clear downtrend, and as long as I don't see any clear confirmation of a change in trend, definitely I'm not going to buy gold. So this was my outlook for gold. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe. Also check out my description. There are a few quite interesting links there. A link to my Discord server, a link to my Instagram, and yes, I will see you next week.